Okay, to Alpha, good morning. Can you hear my voice and my display?
Can see,
Can
but
I?
can
Okay,
can
okay.
hear but cannot
Uh,
see.
oh, cannot see the presentation. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Never mind. Later I will share my screen display. Okay, so don't be surprised. Yeah, I just want to try to test the new features in Google Meet. Number one is pool. Okay. I don't know how do you respond to it. Uh, they are pool and then there is a question and answer section. Okay, these are the new features that I can use during Google Meeting lah. During Google Meet, during the online classes, pool and question and answer. Okay, for question and answer, if you have any question to ask, you just start the question and then I will try to answer it live. Okay, during the live session lah, during the live session of our online classes, right? Pools, live, fine. Okay, how do you do today? Is it fine? Okay. I don't know what is the display on your side. I want to see the display on student side. How to set all. Still ada. Okay. Alright, never mind. So I will share my screen first. Yeah? Okay, now can you see my screen sharing?
Can
Okay, thank you very much. Do you hear some noise or whatever funny noise coming from my voice? Ada macam bunyi
no.
bising tak? Ada macam humming sound, some noise coming from me from my microphone because I think my headphone here is not very good. Sometimes I can hear humming sound, noise. Make sure if you hear that kind of noise interference, you tell me, class. Right now it's already stopped the sound. There is no sound. But sometimes the humming sound, the noise coming out suddenly, it interfere lah. It give me some level of uncomfortable, right? Now it's okay. Right. So, like I promised you yesterday, today we're going to continue 8.2, the effects of force on the new topic, right? So last topic, our previous topic, we already learned about the buoyant force, okay? Make sure you identify and understand what is the meaning of buoyant force, all right? And then what are the effects of not the effects, I mean the relationship between the buoyant force and the density, all right? What are the force, what we call um, the reaction and the action force, the application of reaction and action force on the buoyant force, right? So today we just enter a new subtopic inside 8.2. We call it a level. Okay, I just want to highlight the important parts only. All right. So what is lever actually? Lever is the tools we use at home. A lever is one type of tool. You just remember that. It is just a tool. If we talk about tools, what is the use of tool, class? Anybody can give me an answer? What is the use of tools at home? For example, lever. Lever is one of the tool. So why we need to use the tool? Anybody? Why we need to use the tool?
To make our work more easier.
Yes, very good. That is the exact answer. Tools we use to make our life or our work easier. So, what are the example of tools? Lever. Lever is one of the example of tool. Okay. Perform tasks easily or easier based on the uh, uh, perform tasks easily. All right. Lever is one of the tools. Okay. All right. So what is the lever? Number two, what is the definition of lever? Lever is a bar that rotates on a fixed point. Okay, bar that rotates on the fixed point, we call it a lever. Okay, that is number two. Number three, what are the what we call the parts of lever? You must understand this. The parts of lever, we have three parts of lever. One is effort, one is load, and one is fulcrum. Okay, you can use a word. You can just use alphabet here. E for effort, L for load, and F is the fulcrum. Okay, what's effort? Effort is the force applied on the bar. We apply the effort. Okay. Load, or you can write L, is the object to be moved. And then fulcrum is the fixed point, fixed support point of the lever. Okay. FLE, you just you can use alphabet in order to represent effort, load, or fulcrum. Okay. All right. So lever is the simple machine, and then the purpose of lever is to allow us to do work easily, like you said earlier, right? Okay. So a lever also allow us to use minimal force to do work. Minimal force to do work. For example, I have the picture here. The guys over here want to lift a heavy load. Okay, let's do this together. All right, the parts of lever, right? So the parts of lever over here. So this is lever, all right? White, blue in color, yellow color. I want to change the color first, yeah? Okay, so class, this is lever. The guy is doing something. Doing something. The guy is lifting the heavy load. Okay, lifting a heavy load. So where is the lever? So this is the lever over here. Okay, this is lever. All right, and then identify the parts of lever. Number one here. This is what? The fixed, what we call it? Fixed point. So this is FLOE. Fulcrum, effort, or load. The stone here. FLOE.
F.
F, what is F? F is what, class? Where is my textbook? Oh, okay, here. F is what? Hmm? Lever. Fixed support point. Okay. So this is F, right? So this is F for fulcrum. And then which one is load? This is the load. This is the load. The big rock over here is load. And then the person who push using his force to push the lever downward, push the lever downward using the force. This is what we call E or effort. Okay, this is effort. Okay, this is load, and then this is fulcrum. Okay. For example, later on, the calculation later on, we will try to explain later. So this is the load. So the guy over here want to use his effort, push the lever down in order to raise the load up. Okay, this is example of lever. This is also the same. So we have here removing a nail. So we have here which one you must be able to what we call identify which one is load, which one is fulcrum and effort. Okay, so this is lever. This is example of lever. Okay, this is the lever lah. Lever, right? So the guy over here pull the lever towards him. So this is FLOE. The number one. FLOE here.
E.
Okay, Wamantai, thank you. And others. Okay, this is E. E is for effort, right? Okay. And then where is the load? The nail here is the load. Number two, this is load. Okay. And then where's the fulcrum? The fulcrum is the fixed support point over here. This is the F, or number two, yeah, this is F, or what we call fulcrum. Very easy, right? Number one, you must try to identify which one is the load, which one is effort, and which one is the fulcrum in a lever. Lever is just a bar, okay, just a what we call solid bar, maybe made from wood or made from iron, never mind, but it is just a bar, right? Next one. Okay, classification of lever, very easy this one, very easy. Number two, the next topic, classification of lever. There are three classes of lever. Yeah, how we want to identify the classification of lever or the type of lever by determining the position of the effort, fulcrum, and load. Okay, we'll take a look one by one. In first class lever, fulcrum is in the middle. Okay, effort is between. What we call fulcrum is between effort and load. So this is the first class lever. Very easy, right? Class, can I continue?
Can.
Okay, first class lever, fulcrum in the middle, right? Example of tools made from first class lever is plier, can opener, and scissor. All right, you just identify at the middle. Middle is fulcrum, then if the fulcrum is in the middle, so you can say it is a first class lever. Okay, right. Second one, second class lever. Which part of the lever in the middle? Second class lever, they are load in the middle. Load in the middle, or you can say that the fulcrum and effort is between load. Okay, load is between fulcrum and effort. So you can say this is the second class lever. And then what type of tool are using the second class of lever? Wheelbarrow and nutcracker over here. Okay. And then the third class lever, effort in the middle. The effort in the middle. At the middle or at the center of the bar, there are effort. So this is the third class lever. Okay, or you can say the effort is between fulcrum and load. Example of tool, ice tong and fishing rod. Yeah. Okay, I think this is very straightforward. You must try to able to identify, number one, the position of effort, fulcrum, and load inside the bar, and then number two, identify which classification of lever, whether it is first class lever, second class, or third class. You just remember the parts at the middle of the bar. If the fulcrum at the middle of the bar, so you can say that it is a first class lever. Okay, and then second class level, what are in the middle? Load. Okay, and then third class level, what in the middle? Effort. Right? Okay, and then the example of tools. And then the example of tools. If I can write here, okay, you can just do like this on. Yeah, maybe you already learned this. So this is the classification of lever. Classification of lever, right? You just remember what is in the middle. Oops. in the middle. Okay, F, L, E. F is fulcrum, right? The parts at the center of bar. The center of bar, or at the middle. Okay, at the middle of the bar, F, L, E. So, of course, this is the first class, second class, and third class over here. Okay? So, this is effort, this is load. Okay? This is effort and load, so this is the first class lah. How do you want to draw it? This is lever. At the middle, we have fulcrum. This is F, and then this is load, and then this is effort. Very easy, right? Very easy to remember. You just remember the which part of lever in the middle. Okay? If fulcrum in the middle, first class. If the load in the middle, second class. If effort in the middle, third class. Okay? Second class, you just draw a bar over here, and then load in the middle, and then the effort and the what fulcrum, right? The fulcrum is at the side. You can draw it like this. So this is F, this is L, and then this is E. Okay, and then the other thing is F, E, L, same bar. Okay, but at the middle is the effort. At the middle effort. Okay, this is F. Sorry. This is F, and then this is the load. This is the load. All right. That's all. Classification of lever. And then please also remember the tools. The type of tool are using what are the tool using the first class of lever. Okay. For example, number one, first class of lever is plier. You can just refer back to your textbook in order to understand it more. Any question?
No.
No question. Okay. Very good. Now it's 11:25 in the morning. All right, so we have 5 more minutes to go. I will stop here. I will continue our lesson next week. Next week on Monday. Yeah, next week on Monday, I will continue the lesson for today. Continue the lesson on next Monday. We're going to learn the moment of force. Okay, the moment of force. Is it okay, class?
Yes.
We stop here, yeah? Okay. All right. If you have any question, you can ask me on the Telegram group as well. We stop the class here. See you all again next week on Monday. Thank you for your participation and then your focus and cooperation. You can leave the class now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you all again on Monday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yes.